Hi, this Easy Beginner Sewing project will demonstrate how easy it is to make a placemat in about 20 minutes. The supplies needed for this project include 2 pieces of cotton fabric for the outer placemat with dimensions that are 19 inches wide by 14 inches long, 2 pieces of cotton batting or interfacing for the inner placemat lining with dimensions that are 19 inches wide by 14 inches long. You'll also need some straight pins, a ruler, a colored fabric pencil marker, thread, sewing machine, and a walking foot accessory which is optional. The walking foot is used to help facilitate the sewing of bulky fabrics. I found this fun fabric that depicts hot and spicy gumbo, shrimp bisque, Cajun Creole, Louisiana crawfish, jambalaya, all of those great foods that are very familiar to people who visit my hometown of New Orleans. This fabric can be found at a local quilt shop called Mes Amis, and I will provide that information in the description of this video. I've selected cotton batting to be sewn between the 2 layers of the placemat fabric. The batting actually provides a nice level of cushioning for the placemats. Various types of interfacing can also be used instead of the cotton batting. The cotton batting will be sewn to the wrong side of each of these 2 pieces of outer fabric. A blue fabric marking pencil was used to mark an X on the cotton batting prior to sewing on the wrong side of the placemat's outer layer of cotton fabric. Sew a seam along the blue colored marked X lines on the cotton batting. Notice that there are lots of pins that are used to help keep the cotton batting in place. Pin the 2 right sides of the outer fabric together and sew a 0.5-inch seam allowance around the periphery of the placemat. Leave a 5-inch opening along the bottom of the placemat. The walking foot is a sewing accessory that is used to help facilitate the sewing of bulky fabric. In this particular case, there are 4 layers of fabric that need to be sewn together. Trim each of the 4 corners to remove the bulk, and then reach within the 5-inch opening and turn the placemat inside out. Push out the 4 corners with your finger from inside of the placemat. Press and top stitch a 1/4 of an inch from the outer edge, and then use a stitch length between 3 and 4 depending on your preference for top stitching. This video illustrates how quick and easy it is to sew your own placemats. Sewing placemats represents an easy beginner sewing project that can be made in about 20 minutes. For other easy beginner sewing projects, please subscribe to my Sewing with Desi YouTube channel. By doing so, you will receive notification whenever I upload new beginner sewing videos. See you next time.